I mean, we're usually just literally back jam-packed wall to wall. Sales have been extremely busy. It's been through the roof. We're having record months this last couple months. We shut down for about 45 days with the COVID and opened back up in the beginning of May. And since then, we've really gone through a lot of our inventory. We get a lot of first-time boat buyers that come in here, and normally they do trips during the summer with their kids or their family, and they're not doing that anymore. You know, a lot of families are looking for something to do for the summertime and kind of at least have that social distancing aspect, but you know, keep it, you know, within the family unit. So you know, boating is definitely one of those you know, spots that hits that. So I think that's the main reason why we're so busy.